I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an AC compressor in a Nissan Maxima. First, ensure you have all your tools, including a manifold gauge set and a vacuum pump. Safety is paramount, so wear eye protection and gloves. Begin by safely discharging the refrigerant from your AC system using proper equipment. Next, disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any accidental electrical shorts during the process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe replacement. Now let's remove the old compressor. Begin by locating the electrical connector on the compressor and carefully disconnecting it. Next, you will need to loosen and remove the two AC lines attached to the compressor. Be prepared for any residual refrigerant. Finally, unbolt the compressor from its mounting brackets. There are typically 3 bolts holding it in place. Carefully maneuver the old compressor out of the engine bay, ensuring no other components are damaged. With the old unit out, it's time to install your new AC compressor. Always use new O-rings on the AC lines to ensure a leak-free seal. Bolt the new compressor into its mounting brackets, tightening to the manufacturer's specified torque, usually around 25 foot-pounds. Reconnect the 2 AC lines and then the electrical connector. For best results and system longevity, it is highly recommended to also replace the accumulator or dryer and the expansion valve at this time. The final steps involve preparing and recharging your AC system. First, use a vacuum pump to evacuate the system for at least 30 minutes, removing all air and moisture. Next, recharge the system with the correct amount of R134A refrigerant, typically around 1.1 pounds for a Nissan Maxima. Monitor the pressures using your manifold gauges. Finally, check for any leaks using a leak detector and verify that your AC system is cooling properly. Enjoy your cold air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.